guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I'm going to be doing is another fall DIY. This time I wanted to make some napkin rings for my fall table setting that I'm doing to match my chargers and the pictures. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. You're going to be needing some of these napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. They're just the silver ones. And I just picked up one package because I only need 4. And then you're gonna need some of these pumpkins. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use these. I got these at Hobby Lobby and they were $1.99. And then I'm using my multicolored jewels that I got at Michael's. And I think they were like 9 something, but I had a 40% off coupon, so I didn't pay very much. And I've used them many times. And then the FolkArt Metallic Antique Gold, you're gonna need some of that. And then just a foam brush and a glue gun. So this is gonna be really easy. Okay, what we're gonna do is just first open this and get us out 4. 6 comes in a package, but like I said, I only need 4. And then we're just going to take this metallic antique gold and paint these because I want them to match my chargers. Now, you could seal this with some gesso. I don't think I'm going to. I don't think it's going to really matter. So I'm just going to go over these and give them a coat of the gold. So I know you know what I'm doing. So as soon as I get all 4 of these done, for time purposes, I'll be back. Okay, I've painted them with 3 coats of the antique gold, and I really like how they turned out. Okay, I'm just gonna peel this off. And it does have sticky, but this one, the sticky part stayed on there, so it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna glue them on anyway. Okay, and as you can see, just that would be a beautiful napkin ring. It really would, but I'm going to go a little further than that. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on the back of this. And I just want to line this up. And just press down. And like I said, that would be beautiful on its own. It really would. You really wouldn't even have to go any further than this. But I think I want mine a little more embellished to match my chargers. So let's see. I may change my mind. Sometimes I do. It's hilarious. And then sometimes I just kind of change it up a little bit. I think I like that really well. When I put the red on it, it just kind of, I don't know. I didn't really care for the red, so I think I'm going to skip the red, but I think I'm definitely going to do this just like I have it laid out here. And like I said, my paint's still a little tacky. As you can see, my gems are sticking to it just a little bit. So you just want to put a little bit of glue. And you can use tweezers for this part. I just didn't get mine. Okay. And then just start putting them however it appeals to you. But I think this is going to be really pretty. And you can use whatever color gems that you want that goes with your table setting. I just think this is really going to be pretty. And you can put it all around, or you can just put it in one area. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you like, whatever you want. But that is what we have so far, and I think that is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Okay, and we're just going to do the same thing on this side. and try to get it as symmetrical as possible. But they are handmade, so no two, I doubt, will be totally alike one another. I mean, there's going to be a little bit of variation, just a little bit. But as long as it's close. Oh, I love this. But you can totally take Dollar Tree napkin rings and make them look so pretty. And then you're not stuck with whatever you find at the store. And that's what we have. And you can continue to go all the way around, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to stop it just like that. I love it. I think it is beautiful. Oh, and I think it's going to match my chargers perfectly. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish these other ones, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here they are. I think they are beautiful. It just reminds me of a beautiful ring that you could wear. I just love them. I think they're so pretty, and they match my chargers perfectly with the pumpkin in the center and then those jewels. So I think it's going to be gorgeous. But I really love how they turned out. And like I said, if you wanted, you could just stop with the pumpkin on the top and not add the other jewels. But I really do love how it turned out. I think it's going to make my table setting just totally pop. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.